Want to know the single biggest difference between a home that sits on the market and one that sells quickly and for top dollar? It's what happens before the sign even goes in the yard. We start with a pre-listing home inspection from a trusted, well-known inspector. This gives you clarity on your home's condition before it ever hits the market. No surprises, no last-minute scrambling. You'll have the option to address repairs proactively or disclose them up front, which puts you in the driver's seat when it comes time to negotiate. It gives buyers confidence and often eliminates weeks of back and forth. Once we know what needs attention, we bring in one of our trusted contractors to take care of the repairs or make smart improvements that will help your home show its best. Whether it's patching walls, updating lighting, or making impactful upgrades, we help you coordinate it all. And the best part, you don't pay for it up front. We partner with services that allow payments to be made at closing, so you can move forward without financial stress. After that, we schedule your professional staging consultation. Whether we're rearranging existing furniture or bringing in fresh pieces, staging helps buyers emotionally connect to your home, and that is what sells it. This entire process, inspections, updates, staging, is designed to help your home stand out and sell for more, with fewer surprises along the way. It's just not about fixing things. It's about positioning your home strategically so buyers fall in love with it the moment they walk in. With nearly 20 years of experience in Pittsburgh real estate, I know what works and what doesn't when it comes to preparing and positioning a home for maximum impact. I've guided hundreds of sellers throughout this process, and I bring that knowledge to every decision we make, so you can move forward with clarity, confidence, and a proven plan. If you're thinking of selling, this is where we begin. Let's create a plan that protects your time, your money, and your peace of mind. Click below to send me a message to get started. I'd love to help.